Looking for wine to make the night special? You, my friend, might be in the wrong aisle. Love is in the air and in food. If you want to make your special one remember this night forever, you'll want to stuff your face with these tasty and efficient edibles. And the best news? You probably already have them in your fridge. Which fruit could replace Viagra? How could chili peppers spice up your love life? Which food is a symbol of fertility? You might be surprised by the answers. Pomegranate. In many cultures, the pomegranate has been a sacred symbol of fertility, and science backs it up. This fruit is loaded with antioxidants that can reduce oxidative stress, which can help with fertility issues in both men and women. If you prefer to drink it, that's even better. Pomegranate juice will increase your level of one of the main hormones affecting your libido, testosterone. I guess they call it the love apple for a reason. Nothing in pomegranate goes to waste. The seeds are rich in polyphenols. These compounds can relax blood vessels and help carry more blood to the brain and heart. And it just might deliver more blood to other parts of your body, if you know what I mean. Beets. These colorful roots have a long history as an aphrodisiac food. Ancient Romans believed that beets encouraged amorous feelings. Aphrodite, the goddess of love in Greek mythology, ate beets to boost her appeal. But mythology aside, this lusty fruit can make you godlike in the bedroom. Beetroot juice has a high amount of nitrate, which your body will turn into nitric oxide. Your body already produces this gas. It opens up blood vessels and keeps things growing in the right direction. Nitrate also lowers blood pressure. Since high blood pressure can cause a low sex drive in women, beets could positively affect your libido. Chilies. The ingredient you use to spice up your food can also make things hotter on that special night. The capsaicin in chili peppers causes the burning and tingling sensation your mouth feels when eating spicy food. It also makes your body release adrenaline and endorphins. Adrenaline has a crucial role in your body's fight or flight response. It gives you the energy you need so your muscles can respond to a threat. And endorphins help relieve pain and help you feel pleasure. This combo of substances is a must when you're trying to spice up your love life. Watermelon. Sure, watermelon is a delicious fruit, but it has more benefits. It contains the amino acid citrulline that acts in the same way Viagra does. It dilates blood vessels so your blood flow can increase. Even though the red part of this fruit is the tastiest, most of the citrulline is in the watermelon's rind. So you'll want to start eating that crunchy white section between the green peel and the red core. Trust me, and you can thank me later. Celery. I can't think of a less seductive food than celery. But celery has phytoestrogen, which can affect your body like estrogen. It's one of the most important sex hormones in the female body and affects desire and reproductive health. So, you better chew on that vegetable. Men can benefit from celery too, according to a 2016 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. It found that men who consume 3 or 4 portions of celery per week could reduce their risk of underperforming in the bedroom. I bet now you'll think twice before skipping that celery salad, eh? And speaking of love, do you know the strange history of the wedding cake? It involves lamb testicles. I know. Find out more on the next episode of Origins of Food.